The Confessions of a Chocolatier eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. That is cute as heck, y'all. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my gigantic Ipsy OG, the original, for the month of May. Why is it so big? Because I also got add-ons this month. And y'all know I don't normally do that, but they were just too good this month, y'all. I'm gonna pop all of the deets right here, and we're just gonna dive in. As you guys know, I don't generally get any spoilers or anything like that. I think I made my selection this month. Do I remember? I do not. But I did see a bunch of add-ons and I was like, okay, yes, please. And I do like to get add-ons if I do see some that I really like. And I really like to shop the Ipsy sales, the mega drop shops, all that kind of stuff to help put product into my resale group over on Facebook. Most of this I got this time to kind of put back for gifts, to use towards giveaways. And then in my resale group, I do a monthly giveaway for those who have made purchases. So that's also what some of this is for. I don't really know how things are. Okay, good. My actual bag is by itself. So let me take that out and then we will do the add-ons. So here is the size and what the bag generally would look like. I have received my standard OG Ipsy Glam bag since March of 2015, so for a very, very long time. And I will continue to say, and I always feel like I get a wonderful bang for my buck. I love getting the makeup bags. I like the premise of getting our 5 travel try me size items. We do get some full size items as well. And then I like getting the smaller items for travel or to put into giveaways and things like that. So I feel like I get a great bang for my buck. All right, the bag is so cute this month. It's like a cute little blue and white gingham. I wish this was cloth, not this material, not gonna lie, but I'm very weird about like how things feel and stuff like that, but that doesn't mean it's gonna be bad. Let me make sure there's nothing else in the actual bag. And I do always reuse these. This is what I ship things out in. So if you have a bunch of these laying around and you don't need them, I will gladly pay for shipping for you to send them to me because I use these up consistently. So yeah, I'm just throwing that out there. And if you ever wanted to sign up for Ipsy, any of the subscriptions from Ipsy, I do have an affiliated link to sign up in the description box as well as in a pinned comment. I do earn a small commission if you do sign up. Thank you so much if you do. Let's dive in. Okay, we generally get a little informative card that gives us our theming for the month and generally the products in here. If they're gonna send this, I wanna see the products. Our theme for May 2026, the art of the everyday. This month, we're exploring our favorite beauty trend of all, finding what works for you and wearing it with confidence over and over. And you guys know I'm all about positivity, body positivity, positive affirmation, being the best version of yourself. So I love that. First up, wow, that's pretty big. The Confessions of a Chocolatier eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. That is cute as heck, y'all. That is cute. That kind of reminds me of the recent NOMAD Cosmetics one that we had. That was fantastic quality. If you got that in a previous month and you have not tried it yet, highly recommend. It's beautiful. This is super, super cute. I definitely have enough like this. I don't think that's broken, but one of them looks like it put up a little bit of dust in there. Cute, but I do not need it, so it'll probably end up in a giveaway or in my resale group. Cute though, nonetheless. All right, next up is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil in medium brown. These are not my favorite in terms of just the shape. I'm a fan of ABH brow products. I just don't like the triangular shaped ones. I try to go in because my brows are trash. Anybody else? Damn 90s. But I try to go in with like very small little like strokes and stuff like that. So I don't know how much I'm going to use that, but it's nice to have. Next up is the Kenzie, the Sorbet Blossom Rich and Ultra Creamy Body Butter. Ooh, that also sounds really nice, giving some Sol de Janeiro vibes. Okay. Next up is the Joy? I don't know how to say that, y'all. The Pre-Cleanse Scalp Resurfacing Serum, Fermented ACV and Papaya Enzyme. And ACV, of course, is apple cider vinegar. I see this a lot in like scalp treatments and stuff like that. And last up in my OG Ipsy Glam bag is the Innisfree, the Green Tea Ceramide Milk. Ooh, Barrier Essence. Super Green Tea 9 Hyaluronic Acid Ceramide. That sounds great. Okay, let me break down everything for you guys. Let's see. The ABH, the Brow Definer in medium brown. A triangular tipped brow pencil from the experts at ABH, designed to shape, define, and fill with precision. Create everything from soft, natural brows to bold statement arches using one versatile, easy to control tool. No pro skills needed. This is a travel size for 16 bucks. This already pays for our bag. Next up, the Kenzie Sorbet Blossom Body Butter. Ultra luxurious and buttery. This body butter melts in and helps leave your skin touchably soft. Shea butter supports deep hydration for a radiant glow. Light, fresh floral notes bring serious feel-good vibes, like a self-care hug in a jar. And this is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $20. Next up, we have our product from Innisfree. This is their Green Tea Ceramide Milk Barrier Essence. This lightweight essence helps support your skin's moisture barrier, leaving you with soft, dewy, glowy skin. It's formulated with green tea extract, loved for its ability to help calm and soothe. Your complexion gets a bouncy, nourished vibe with no heavy feeling. This, of course, is a deluxe sample. The full size will be $24. Next up, we had our JOUER, the Scalp Resurfacing Serum. A serum designed to help exfoliate and refresh your scalp for reduced buildup and a better foundation. Formulated with fermented superfoods, it helps support a balanced scalp environment. Say hello to bouncier, fresher feeling hair days. This is a deluxe sample. The full size will be $42. And seeing that the full size of this will be $42, that is why I love getting my Ipsy Glam bag, the OG, so much. I can try something like this. I can try something like this or this for very affordable, you know, $3-ish per item. And if I love it, I can then invest. Versus saying, you know what, I've heard about this. I would like to try it. I've spent $42 and then I hate it. I really like that aspect of it. And then last up, our little cutie patootie little palette. This is so cute, you guys. The IBY Beauty Confessions of a Chocolatier eyeshadow palette. Get swept away in decadent chocolate-inspired tones that blend beautifully for day or night. Cocoa seed extract helps leave lids feeling soft while delivering rich, blendable pigment. Indulge in versatile shades perfect for every mood and look. This is a full-size palette for them, $26. So again, I definitely see value there. So I'm loving the variety here. I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 5, not blowing my socks off, but definitely some really, really good products in here. I'd like to know what you guys thought, and are we bag twins? All right, let me get all this out of my way, and then I'll show you guys all of my add-ons. Do I remember what I got? I sure don't. But I think most of the time with add-ons, I generally just get like the 350 stuff, so I'm guessing that's what's in here. I think I'm just going to kind of pull everything out and just kind of go quickly and just show you guys so we're not here for a year. But this is another really amazing perk with getting an Ipsy subscription. Alrighty, first up we got the Commodity Milk, the 7 ml little perfume sample. I got the Bella Pierre Waterproof Black Volume Mascara. I'm dropping stuff, y'all. This is just as much a surprise to me as it is to you guys. I got apparently another Bella Pierre mascara. I probably got multiples of quite a few in here. Like I said, I divvy these up. I got something in bubble wrap. This is the Wing Me Mini Muse eyeshadow palette. And I'm trying to get it out of here to show you guys. That's so cute. But just little tiny things I can pop in for those little giveaways in my group, add for like cheaper items for sale in the group, add to giveaways, things like that. This is another Mini Muse eyeshadow palette. I picked up the e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen in Busta Mauve. I picked up another one of those in Busta Mauve. I got the Ola Neon, the Lip Drip Lip Oil in Gloss Me. I hope that's what that says. I'm not wearing my glasses. Okay. I got a cutie patootie little sample of the Correz, the Eau de Toilette, the Cashmere Kumquat. I actually got this for me because I think I might like it. And y'all know I love fragrances, clearly. Next up, the Confessions of a Chocolatier eyeshadow palette. Apparently, I really thought it was cute. Next up, I got another of the Ola Neon. I got the NARS. I think I did get this for me. Hopefully this works out for me, but I got it more so for summertime, so I hope I like it. This is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I got shade medium 2.25 in Lanai. I'm really excited to test this out. I had a mini of one of these, but I don't remember. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good for summertime. Well, actually, probably not fully summer, but it's still nice. But I think I had like the smaller size of this or a mini or something, and I really enjoyed it. So that is for moi. And then I think last, let me just double check. Yes. And then last but not least, I really, really liked this palette, of course, apparently. Another of the little palettes. So yeah, those were, and I think these are also, they're $3.50. I can't remember how much this was, but I don't generally pay more than like $12, $16-ish for something like this. So I'm going to assume it was probably something like that. But that is my May Ipsy original and all of my add-ons. What did you guys think? Are we bag twins? I'd love to know. What did you get in your bag, and did you pick up any add-ons? That is it for today. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can also hype the video. You can also turn on notifications so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.